Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Xbox emulator for iOS and Android. So as you can see, we got the Xemu emulator right here. We can play all our favorite games. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. But yeah, as you can see guys, it actually works. Super fun to play. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it in this video. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to our browser. And what I want you guys to do is type in tweakmod.com. So in this site, guys, go to the search bar, type it in, and press install. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a verification step. So this is the last step. And what you got to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and this will install the emulator into your phone. So yeah, guys, you can actually play it on your device. So let's just wait for this to load. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's pretty easy. So you guys should not have any problem doing this. So as you can see guys, it is going to say like missing files. So you just need to download some of these apps, which are all free. So for instance, TikTok says download for 30 seconds. Family Island says reach level 11. So I could do that. Or I could do the Underdog, which says download and run for 30 seconds. There is this video you can watch, which is kind of cool, but that's how I get it for your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, but if you guys do want to play these old games, this is the best way. So I'm going to see you guys later.